When it comes to protecting your home, few components matter more than your roof. It shields your family from harsh weather, improves your home's curb appeal, and plays a key role in energy efficiency. That's why homeowners in Troy consistently turn to a local roofing company when it's time for a roof replacement. Local experts bring more than just tools and materials. They bring a deep understanding of the community, personalized service, and long-standing trust that national chains simply can't match. Local knowledge that makes a difference. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose a local roofing company in Troy is the team's first-hand knowledge of the area. Troy's weather patterns, from heavy winter snow to intense summer storms, place unique demands on roofing systems. Local roofers understand how these conditions impact roof performance and durability. They know which materials hold up best, how to install them to withstand seasonal extremes, and how to spot early signs of damage that may be unique to the region. This level of insight leads to better recommendations, stronger roofs, and longer-lasting results. Personalized service and clear communication. Homeowners appreciate that working with a local company means receiving personalized attention rather than becoming one of thousands of customers in a national database. Local roofers take the time to understand each homeowner's concerns, budget, and long-term goals. They are easy to reach, quick to respond, and committed to maintaining open communication throughout the entire replacement process. Whether it's explaining material options, walking customers through insurance claims, or providing updates during installation, homeowners feel informed and supported at every step. Reputation built on trust and community ties. A trustworthy reputation is everything, and local roofing companies in Troy know this well. Unlike large corporations, whose customers are scattered across multiple states, local businesses rely heavily on community feedback and word-of-mouth referrals. This motivates them to deliver exceptional service on every project. Homeowners take comfort knowing that the company they hire is invested in the community because they live and work there too. Their track record isn't hidden behind corporate branding. Their reputation is visible and backed by neighbors, friends, and local families. Quality craftsmanship from experienced professionals. Local roofing companies in Troy often employ installers with years, sometimes decades, of experience. These skilled professionals take pride in their craftsmanship and understand the importance of doing the job right the first time. They follow local building codes, use proven installation techniques, and carefully inspect every detail before completing a project. Homeowners benefit from this level of care because it leads to a stronger, safer, and more reliable roofing system. Fast response times and continued support. When you work with a local roofing company, help is never far away. Whether a homeowner needs a quick inspection after a storm or follow-up service years after installation, local roofers are close by and ready to assist. This ongoing support provides peace of mind, especially knowing that the same team who installed the roof is available to maintain it. For homeowners, that reliability is invaluable. A commitment to fair pricing and honest recommendations. Local roofing companies know how important affordability is to homeowners. Instead of using high-pressure sales tactics, they provide honest assessments and transparent pricing. Their goal is not to upsell but to recommend the best roofing solution for the home's needs and the homeowner's budget. This clear, customer-first approach is one of the reasons so many Troy residents feel confident choosing a local company. A roof replacement is a major investment, and homeowners want to trust the people working on their property. By choosing a local roofing company in Troy, residents receive expert craftsmanship, personalized service, and a team that truly cares about their home and their community. That combination of skill and trust is why local roofers remain the top choice for roof replacements in Troy.